Bleach, an ordinary household cleaner, boasts extraordinary powers. It kills germs, sanitizes surfaces, and importantly, it has a reputation for removing colors from fabrics. But why and how does this happen? The secret to Bleach's color-removing abilities lies in its composition. The active ingredient in most household bleaches is a chemical called sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite is a powerful oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agents are substances that can accept electrons from other substances. This characteristic enables bleach to perform its color-removing trick. Most dyes, the chemicals that give our clothes color, are complex molecules with systems of what are called conjugated bonds. These bonds form a pathway that allows for the absorption and reflection of certain wavelengths of light, which our eyes perceive as color. When light hits a dye molecule, it absorbs certain wavelengths and reflects others. The colors we see are the wavelengths of light that are reflected back to our eyes. But when we add bleach to the equation, things change. The oxidizing power of the sodium hypochlorite in bleach breaks the bonds in the dye molecules. This process, known as oxidation, disrupts the system of conjugated bonds in the dye molecule, altering its structure. Once the structure changes, the dye can no longer absorb and reflect light in the same way. Consequently, the dye either reflects no color, which we perceive as white, or it reflects color in a different way, often resulting in a faded or bleached-out appearance. So there you have it. The color-removing mystery of bleach is all about breaking down the molecular structures that create color in the first place. It's chemistry in action, right in our laundry rooms.